Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a no shoe tutu skirt. Okay, let's get started. So here is what do we need. Tulle fabric, elastic, tape measurement, thread and hand sewing needle, pins, scissors, small basket. Measure the waist. Measure the elastic band, the waist minus 2 cm. Cut it. Sew the both elastic edge with zigzag stitch or use the hand sewing. This is the result. Straighten the fabric self-edge. Fold it to make the cutting process easier. Measure twice the skirt length plus 2 cm. Here I use 40 cm as a sample, or depend on the length of your skirt project. And then cut the fabric length. And then cut it as a strip. The result will be like this. Do the same steps with the fabric length shorter. Mine is 35 cm. Install the elastic to the basket like this, and then start to arrange one by one the fabrics. Tie a knot for each fabric strip. Sew it varied between length 40 cm and 35 cm. To make the arrangement easier, move the ready arrangement to the back side of the basket. Continue to arrange each fabric until it's finished. all fabrics arranged, left some space on elastic because in this process the elastic is stretched out. Make it neat so the distance will be equal. And then turn it inside out. This upper part is outside on the right side of the skirt. It can be added an accessories or a bow. The bow tutorial is available in our channel. Check the link in the description below. This is it. Really easy and quick, right? Bye guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more video, and if you like this video, give me thumbs up.